Fiverr is a leading platform for freelance logo design. In 2025, demand is high from small businesses needing affordable branding. This video breaks down how to make money on Fiverr with logo design, focusing on creating optimized gigs, mastering SEO, and using efficient delivery templates. Understand the basics and trends to succeed. Your gig is your storefront on Fiverr. It needs to attract buyers with clear offerings and professional presentation. Offer clear packages that cater to different client needs and budgets. Use high-quality samples to showcase your best work and demonstrate your design capabilities. State your pricing clearly so buyers know exactly what they're paying for. Include valuable add-ons like source files or mockups to justify higher prices and provide more value to clients. SEO optimization helps your Fiverr gigs get found by potential clients. Use Fiverr's algorithm by integrating relevant keywords naturally into your gig title, description, tags, and FAQs. Place keywords like professional logo design, minimalist logo, or brand identity package in your gig title, description, tags, and FAQs. This helps Fiverr's search algorithm match your gig to buyer searches. Avoid keyword stuffing, which can get your gig penalized. Focus on natural language that flows well. Target long-tail keywords for specific niches to improve search ranking. These are longer, more specific phrases like modern logo design for a tech startup that attract qualified buyers. Fiverr suggests related terms during searches. Use these in your gigs to appear in more results, such as content writing jobs or social media content writer. Niche down to specific areas, such as creating NFTs or eco-friendly designs. This reduces competition and improves your gig's visibility. By optimizing your gigs with relevant, naturally integrated keywords and targeting long-tail phrases, you'll improve your search ranking and attract more clients on Fiverr. Create standardized delivery templates to speed up your workflow. Include editable files like AI, PSD, and PNG formats, along with usage guidelines and clear revision protocols. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to make reusable templates for logos, business cards, and social media kits. Aim for 24 to 48-hour delivery times to boost customer satisfaction. AI tools like Canva Magic Design and Midjourney can accelerate your logo design process with quick iterations and concept generation. While AI provides speed and efficiency, originality is crucial for standout designs. Use AI to generate initial concepts or variations, but always add your unique creative touch to ensure each logo feels authentic and personalized. In your gig descriptions, highlight AI-enhanced capabilities to attract clients, but always adhere to Fiverr's guidelines on originality to maintain platform trust and avoid violations. Remember that AI is not a replacement for professional skill. It enhances your workflow, but cannot substitute the expertise, experience, and artistic judgment that come from human designers. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Specialize in a specific niche to demonstrate expertise and attract targeted clients. Popular niches include tech startups, eco-brands, and minimalist designs. For eco-brands, use green themes and natural elements like leaves to appeal to environmentally conscious clients. Minimalist designs use simple geometric shapes and clean lines to stand out in crowded markets. For tech startups, modern icons and bold typography convey innovation and reliability. In 2025, several key trends are shaping logo design on Fiverr. Mobile-optimized logos ensure designs look great on smartphones and tablets. Eco-friendly branding incorporates sustainable themes and green color palettes. And AI-enhanced designs combine creativity with automated tools for faster iterations. To expand your reach, target non-English markets by creating translated versions of your gigs, using tools like Google Translate for descriptions and SEO keywords. Looking ahead, expect increased automation in routine tasks, a shift towards more personalized and high-touch custom services, and opportunities in VR and AR branding for immersive experiences. Real-world examples show what works on Fiverr. Logo Master Pro, a seller from India, started in 2023 with basic gigs and earned $50,000 annually by 2025 through tech niche focus and consistent client communication, achieving a 98% approval rate. Learning from setbacks, Brand Boost Agency initially struggled with generic gigs but tripled revenue to $30,000 in 2025 by implementing AI assisted templates and targeted SEO keywords like logo redesign for e commerce. Design expert Matt Cooper emphasizes blending creativity with technology, reminding that AI should enhance work, not replace the designer's unique vision. To succeed, prioritize high quality portfolios, excellent communication, and regularly reviewing Fiverr's analytics dashboard to track performance and optimize gigs.